Summertime and the living's easy. What's up, y'all? It is summer here in New England finally, and beach days are every day. And while it has finally arrived, we are not here to talk about that. We are actually here to talk about Instagram's latest feature and updates that is so big that you're going to be implementing them regularly in the future. I'm going to break down each one and show you how to effectively use each feature to help your small business. If you've just arrived, hi, I'm Shannon, a New England photographer and content strategist, making social marketing easy while teaching you how to create the best content for your brand. Last week, Adam Mosseri, head of Instagram, rolled out the announcement of 4 new features: 90-second reels, pinning, importing your own audio, and interactive stickers in Reels. These are all big changes. So where do we start? Let's just hop into 90-second Reels. You now have the option to choose between 15, 30, 60, and 90-second Reels. Now we all know that Instagram loves people that jump on its newest features first. So does this mean that we should be doing 90-second Reels? Yes and no. Studies have shown that our attention span is only 5 to 7 seconds. And this is why short, quick reels perform so well. Keep doing these short reels. However, there are some pros to this new 90-second feature. You have more time to tell your personal stories. Think of your why, your how, testimonials, client stories as well. You just need to keep in mind that 90-second reels will be challenging to hold your viewers' attention until the very end, meaning that your watch time might decrease and chances of your audience re-watching will definitely decrease. So here's my suggestion. Keep sharing the fun and entertaining short reels to increase brand awareness, but to go on a deeper level, using 90-second reels to share really high-end value, which will be gold for your niched down market that is already following you. Just make sure that you start with a very strong hook and keep the reel engaging from start to end. Do not hold back on information. Make sure you get right to it. And if you're worried about what hooks that you should use, check out this video here where I talk about 10 hooks to start your reels off. Just to be sure that you are intentional with your long form reels so they help you instead of hurt you. Next up is one of my favorite features, the pinning feature. I think that pinning is going to be a game changer because it's going to allow new people to get a very quick sense of who you are and what you offer. Does this feature look familiar? If it does, it's because you've seen it on TikTok. Pinning allows you to select up to 3 posts or reels to pin to the top of your profile. So whenever someone comes to your feed, those are the posts that they see first, which equals more views. And if done correctly, more leads. Okay, well, so what types of posts should you be pinning? An introduction post. Share a fun, upbeat version of your elevator pitch, who you are, what you provide, and who you are helping. Your most recent offer, product, sale, or upcoming events. Share a value reel where you're going to share your expertise and pick one that has gotten a lot of traction from your current audience and then just expand upon it. Share your personal journey. Show your audience an insight inside of you and who you are and what you've been through. Recent testimonials. This is huge for social proof and it will go a long way. Relatable or inspirational content. Show your audience you understand where they're at. Okay, by the way, are you enjoying this video? Because if you are, be sure to show that subscribe button a little bit of love so you can meet me here every Thursday morning at 9 a.m. with new tips and tutorials, all to help you. Next up, we now have the option to import audio. And this just means that if you have a video on your phone with music or some sort of audio clip that you like, you can now just upload the audio instead of the video and the audio. To do this, you'll just tap on the audio or the music symbol, and you will see the import option in the top right corner next to the saved option. When you hit it, your camera roll comes up and you can select the video where you want the audio from. It's very easy. Speaking of audio, if you want to know the trick to going viral with a trending reel, be sure to check out this video here. What is the last feature? We are now allowed to add interactive stickers to our reels. And I think this is going to be a big one in terms of engagement because people love to interact with stickers, and this is going to definitely boost your reach. The only thing that I don't like about this feature is that you can't time it. Like if I do a 90-second reel and I want to put a poll up, it will stay the whole 90 seconds. It will not just stay on a 10-minute segment that Will this change? Who knows? I hope so. I hope this breakdown helps, and I would love to know which of these new features you are the most excited about, and drop it in the comments below. And for those of you that are just plain tired of creating content for your business, you should probably check out my membership program below, where I do all the hard work for you. You get weekly emails with content, monthly Zoom calls, and monthly workshops, all to help you succeed. Now go crush this week, and I'll see you soon.